Alright, today what we're going to talk about is the slope-intercept form again, the y equals mx plus b. And if you remember from in our last video, we talked about what the m is and what the b is. So the m is our slope and the b is our y-intercept. And we talked a lot about how to find those in graphs and things like that, and how to name our lines from a graph, but we're going to go over it a little bit more today. So just as a quick review, given the slope and y-intercept, we want to write the equation. So we're given that m equals 5 and b equals negative 9. So we know our slope is 5 and our y-intercept is negative 9. So all we're doing is we're just plugging in the two um, values for the slope and for the y-intercept. So in this case, it's negative 2 and then plus 8. All right, and the last but not least, we have y equals 4 over 5x plus 17. All right, so what we're going to work on now is we're just going to go through and look at these graphs and name what graphs we have here. So in this case, I always try to look for the y-intercept first because it's a good starting point. So in this case, I'm looking along my y-axis and I see that it's intersecting right here. So I'm going to count up and it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. My equation is going to have y equals, and I know that it's a positive 4, so I can just put a plus right here. Now I need to figure out my slope. Now there are no dots on here, so I do need to create my own. So I'm going to put one right here, and I'm going to use my y-intercept. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and over 1, 2, 3. So I have a down negative 7 and over 3. Add my x, and that would be my equation. All right, we'll do one more example. So I'm looking along my y-axis. I find my y-intercept right here at negative 1 to negative 3. And I have y equals. I'm going to find another point on my line here. I'm going to go right here. And so I'm going to rise 1, 2, 3, 4 and run 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to have 4 over 3 x minus 3. All right, if you want some more practice with this, I'm just going to put a couple more examples on the video here, and you can definitely do them if you would like. Here's our first set, and here's our second set. Otherwise, have a good night.